Saurabh ji, you are in this Asahi KASEI in yarn industry. How many years you have experience about this industry?
So I've been textile graduate in 2012, and since I initially worked for weaving for some time, and then I moved to yarn sales and yarn marketing. So overall experience of yarn sales and marketing is about 12 years for me. And in Asahi KASEI, this is my 10th year. I am working for Bemberg, especially for Bemberg.
Will you explain about something about your product?
Yes. So Bemberg is a regenerated cellulosic fiber. It's one of a kind material, and it's the material that we make from a byproduct. So we know cotton, right? Cotton, when we do a ginning process, we take out the longer fibers. So we still have these short seeds that are there. On these seeds, there is still some short fiber remaining. Now, these short fibers cannot be removed completely, neither then they can be used for any textile applications. So what happens normally is that these seeds are directly crushed and cotton seed oil is extracted, right? But before that extraction is done, we have a small step called delinting, where the machines remove the short fibers. And
Very short fiber is there.
Yes. So this is called as cotton linter, which is this. So we import this cotton linter from India, US, Brazil, dissolve it in a solution and make staple fiber and filament yarn out of it. So this process makes a fiber called Q-Pro. So Bemberg is the trademark which is owned by Asahi KASEI. Generic name is Q-Pro. And this fiber is a very special fiber because it's regenerated from a man-made byproduct. Secondly, though it is born from cotton, it has properties which are completely different than cotton. For example, cotton's shape, if you cross-section, if you see, it's like a kidney. Right? But this Bemberg will have an exact round cross-section and it will have a very smooth surface. So that makes it very comfortable on your skin. It glides very easily. So that's why it's very well known for linings. It's very well known for any material, garments or applications where it's close to your skin. It has a very good dyeability, very good printability. So it's and very good luster. So it's being used somewhere as an ethical alternative to silk. People who want to get away from silk, they use Bemberg. People who want to have fluidy garments, good absorbency colors, or good printability, they choose Bemberg. People who want to work with niche materials, niche segment, they choose Bemberg. And Bemberg is a choice of materials in all the big brands you talk globally or India. So globally, we can talk about brands like Armani, brands like Hugo Boss, brands like Max Mara, Massimo Dutti. So these are brands use Bemberg because of its comfort, because of its unique look. In India, we have brands like Anita Dongre, Bodice, Payal Pratap, Hemang Agrawal. They use Bemberg because of its sustainable nature also. Because as I mentioned, that the material that we use is a byproduct. It's a pre-consumer waste. So we use pre-consumer material and then convert it into a different product. And we have been doing this product, manufacturing this product since last 90 years. It's coming in India since last 50 years. This is a 50th year anniversary for us in India. In India, it was majorly used for saris, dupattas, dress material. So basically wherever the silk was used. But unfortunately, in Indian market, the product awareness was not there. If you go to Europe, if you go to US, people know what is Bemberg, people know what is Q-Pro. But India, unfortunately, they don't know about it, though they have used it. So right now we are working to enhance the awareness of Bemberg in the Indian market. So for that, we are working with local partners. We are trying to develop new qualities which are of international quality or domestically high quality. We are working with designer partners like Anita Dongre, Payal Pratap, Bodice, which is based out of Delhi. So we are trying to do this and create an awareness out of our Bemberg. We are also promoting it on social media. We are promoting through our website.
How it's cost effective is there for the Indian market?
Now, if you have to compare the cost part, the right way to compare it is with silk. So compared with silk, it is almost half the price.
Half the price of the pure silk?
Pure silk. And that's why people use it as an alternative to silk.
In common, people says that is China silk, and India Banarsi people are suffering. The common consumer goes to purchase the sari, they ask the Chinese silk and the Indian silk. What is this? I don't understand about that.
That's an unfortunate problem of the Indian industry in general. You know, our Indian textile industry is not much regulated, right? If you go to any international brand, international market, the garment will always have an exact composition level inside the garment. But in India, we do not have strong regulations about it. The government now is working on it. The Ministry of Textiles is working out to bring out that composition. So I think once that happens, this clarity about China silk, Banarasi silk, Japan silk, all this clarity will be sorted out. So these are the names which are given by trade partners to the materials that they think have an, so that they can hide the details of what they are using. Yeah.
What is the scope in Indian market?
So India, as I mentioned, is a very important market for us. It's been a 50-year-old market for us, and we still see the scope of Bamberg, especially in India. It will keep on increasing. The few reasons for it is, I think, the purchasing power of India is getting better. Secondly, even the Indian consumer now is getting aware and conscious about the materials that they want to use. Earlier, they were not very keen on asking what material it is. You would either ask whether it's cotton or non-cotton. But now people are aware about cotton, what is linen, what is viscose, and they are choosing the right material which they feel they are comfortable about. So in that segment, I think Bamberg has a good scope. We definitely look towards the growing Indian population. We definitely look towards the growing Indian purchasing power. And that will definitely help us to grow in the Indian market as well.
If anybody launch new product, they faces a lot of challenges. What you people are facing?
So for us, definitely the first challenge, if we talk about India, is the price. In India, India is a very cost-conscious market. Even though our purchasing power is increasing, traditionally it has been our in DNA that we see the value. So that is something that is a challenge to us. We have to educate people about what is the advantage of using Bamberg over other materials. And now we see that people are changing. So that challenging we are slowly overcoming with educating, explaining the differences, creating the value.
What is the future you are looking here?
So definitely, I would say one of our missions or one of our ideal goal would be that Bamberg would be a preferred material for any brand that considers sustainability, that considers nicheness, that considers premiumness. So we want Bamberg to be their first preferred material. So that is the future that we see in India.
Okay, thank you.